Welcome to RP Maths class. In our last class, we have been discussing about exercise 21A from problem number 6 to 13. Today I am discussing about the remaining problem. So our next problem is cosecant A plus sin A into cosecant A minus sin A is equal to cot square A into cos square A. Cosecant A plus sin A into cosecant A minus sin A is equal to cot square A plus cos square A. We should prove this. So I told now first what you do, you take the LHS part. So what is the LHS part here? Cosecant A plus sin A is the LHS part. So cosecant A plus sin A into cosecant A minus sin A. This is what our LHS part. By using this LHS part, we should prove that cot square A plus cos square A. Okay. So here, by seeing only you can know that this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. We know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to what? A square minus B square. Just here A means what here? Cosecant A and B means sin A. Okay. So A square means what here? Cosecant square A minus B square means what? Sin square A. Cosecant square A minus sin square A. So cosecant square A means what? Cosecant square A is nothing but 1 plus cot square A minus of sin square A means we know that 1 minus cos square A. So then that is equal to 1 plus cot square A minus, take inside the bracket, minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square A. Then plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. Then what is the answer we'll get? Cot square A plus cos square A. So this is our required answer, that is equal to what? RHS. Okay, next problem, 16th one. Cos A plus sin A whole square plus cos A minus sin A whole square is equal to what? 2. See, before to go this problem, we know that formula in your previous standard you learned, that is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to what? 2 into A square plus B square. Right? We know this formula. So on the basis of this, this is also same as it is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. We can directly write what will come? 2 into A square. A square means what here? Cos square A plus B square. B square means sin square A. So that is equal to 2 into, what is the value of sin square A plus cos square A? That is what? 1. So that is equal to what? 2. So this is our required answer. So this is what? RHS. It's very simple. Otherwise you can do that. You can what? Expand this. Expand means what? A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2 into cos A sin A plus A square plus B square minus 2 into cos A sin A. Then what? Plus cos 2 into cos A sin A minus 2 into cos A sin A get cancelled. Then cos square A plus sin square A is 1. And cos square plus sin square, that is also what? 1. 1 plus 1 what? 2. Like that also you can do. Otherwise if you know the formula is better. So directly you get the answer. Okay. Okay, next problem, 17th one. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A is equal to what? 1. Okay. So here what I told, whenever if they are given all the function with the single problem, that time what I do, write everything in what? Sin and cos form. So here cosecant A can as 1 by sin A minus sin A, right? As it is. Don't substitute for sin A as cosecant A. You won't get answer. Then secant A can as 1 by cos A minus cos A, right? As it is. And tan A, apply quotient rule. Quotient formula. What is the quotient formula? Sin A by cos A plus cot A can as cos A by sin. Okay. Everything write in what? Sin A and cos A form. After that, what is the LCM for this? Sin A is the LCM. 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A. So here also what is the LCM? Cos A is the LCM. 1 minus cos square A. Then what is the LCM for this? Cos A into sin A is the LCM. So cos A get cancelled. Then sin A into sin A. Sin square A plus sin A get cancelled. Cos A into cos A. Cos square A. Okay. So afterwards what? 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A means what? We know that cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is what? Again sin square A by cos A into sin square A plus cos square A value is what? 1 divided by cos A into sin A. See now, see cos A get cancelled, sin square A, that is also get cancelled. Finally what will come? 1. So this is our required answer, that is equal to what? RHS. So what I did here, just I am going to write all the trigonometric functions in terms of cos and sin. So cosecant A can be as 1 by sin A, secant A can be as 1 by cos A, tan A can be written as sin A by cos A, cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Then afterwards what do you do? Take sin A as LCM, sin A into sin A, 1 minus sin square A. So cos is LCM, cos A get cancelled 1 and cos A into cos A, cos square A. Here cos A and sin A is the LCM, cos A get cancelled, sin A into sin A, sin square A plus sin A get cancelled, cos A into cos A, cos square A. Afterwards what next step? 1 minus sin square A is what here? Cos square A, 1 minus cos square A is what? Sin square A, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? 1. Then cos A get cancelled, this cos A and this cos A get cancelled, sin A get cancelled. Then finally what is the answer? 1. So that is equal to what? RHS. Okay, then our next problem, 1 by secant A plus tan A is equal to secant A minus tan A. 1 by secant A plus tan A is equal to secant A minus tan A. So for this type of problem, let's take LHS. LHS is equal to 1 by secant A plus tan A. So for this take conjugate. Conjugate means what? Same terms with opposite sign. So secant A minus tan A divided by secant A minus tan A. So multiply and divided by what? Secant A minus tan A, secant A minus tan A. Why means? Because both also get cancelled, so the value will not be changed. Okay. Then 1 into secant A minus tan A what? Secant A minus tan A divided by secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. You know that A plus B into A minus B is equal to what? A square. A square means secant square A minus B square. B square means tan square A. So finally what is the answer? Secant A minus tan A divided by 1. So that is equal to what? Secant A minus tan A. So this is our answer, that is equal to what? RHS. So what I did here? So whenever if you get this type of problem, take the conjugate. Okay. So what is the conjugate? Conjugate that is depending upon the answer. Here secant A minus tan A is there. So take secant A minus tan A divided by secant A minus tan A. So multiply and divide by secant A minus tan A, secant A minus tan A. Then secant A minus tan A into 1 what? Secant A minus tan A. Secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A is what? A plus B into A minus B will get A square minus B square. So we know that secant square A minus tan square A value is what? 1. So finally what is the remaining answer? Secant A minus tan A divided by 1, that is equal to secant A minus tan A. So that is equal to how much? RHS. Okay. So next problem, cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 1 by cosecant A minus cot A. So here take what? RHS. Before we are taking LHS and we are proving RHS, but in this problem take what? RHS. What is the RHS here? 1 by cosecant A minus cot A is the RHS. Take RHS and then prove what? LHS. So I am taking RHS. RHS is equal to 1 by cosecant A minus cot A. So now multiply and divide by what? Cosecant A plus cot A and cosecant A plus cot A, because we need what? Cosecant A plus cot A as the LHS. So therefore multiply and divide by cosecant A plus cot A divided by cosecant A plus cot A. Understood now? I told now that is depending upon the answer what we have been required. Here what we required, cosecant A plus cot A we required. So therefore multiply and divide by what? Cosecant A plus cot A divided by cosecant A plus cot A. In case here minus is there, so therefore you should take what? Plus. Plus is there means what? Minus you take, because we need what? Why? What is the reason? Cosecant square A minus cot square is what? 1, we know that. So on the basis of that we are taking the conjugate. So now 1 into cosecant A plus cot A is what? So cosecant A plus cot A divided by, so cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. You know that A squared. A squared means cosecant square A minus B square what? Cot square B. Then cosecant A plus cot A divided by what? What is the value of this? 1. Okay. So finally what will get? Cosecant A plus cot A. So this is our answer. That is equal to what? You should write here LHS. Understood now? We have taken RHS and we put LHS. Okay, next problem, 20th one. Secant A minus tan A divided by secant A plus tan A is equal to 1 minus 2 into secant A into tan A plus 2 into tan square A. So here also take what? LHS. What is the LHS here? Secant A minus tan A divided by secant A plus tan. So I told you, we know that the formula secant square A minus tan square is what? 1. So that is the reason you should take the conjugate. What is the conjugate? Here plus tan A there means you should take secant A minus tan A divided by secant A minus tan A. Multiply and divide by secant A minus tan A, secant A minus tan A. Then secant A minus tan A into secant A minus tan A what? Secant A minus tan A the whole square divided by secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A, secant square A minus tan square A, secant square A minus tan square A. So now expand this. So this is in the form of what? A minus B the whole square. You know that A minus B whole square means A square plus B square minus 2 into AB, secant A tan A. Understood? A square means secant square A plus B square means tan square A minus 2 into secant A into tan A divided by, what is the value of this? 1. So what is the answer required? So 2 into secant A minus 2 into secant A tan A is there. But here what is there here? 2 tan square is there. So we should express secant square in terms of tan A. So therefore secant square A, how to write a secant square A? Secant square A came as 1 plus tan square A, right? Because answer should be expressed in terms of what? Tan. Plus tan square A minus 2 into secant A into tan A. Now 1 minus 2 into secant A into tan A plus tan square A plus tan square is what? Plus 2 tan square A. So this is our answer, that is equal to what? RHS. So simple problem. So what I done here? First I have taken LHS, secant A minus tan A divided by secant A plus tan A is the LHS. So multiply and divide by secant A minus tan A divided by secant A minus tan A. What is the reason? Because secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A, what will come? 1 will come. That is the reason we should multiply and divide by secant A minus tan A. In case here minus is there means you take plus secant A plus tan A by secant A plus tan A. Okay. Then secant A minus tan A into secant A minus tan A is what? Secant A minus tan A the whole square divided by secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A, secant square A minus tan square A. So what is the value of this? 1. Then expand this, A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B, 2 into secant A into tan A. Then what is the answer here? 2 tan square A. But here secant square is there, so replace secant square A by what? 1 plus tan square A plus tan square A minus 2 into secant A into tan A. So tan square A plus tan square is what? 2 tan square A, 1 minus 2 secant A into tan A. So that is equal to RHS. Okay, then our next problem, sin a plus cosecant a the whole square plus cos a plus secant a the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Okay, here what is the LHS? LHS is equal to sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a the whole square. Okay, see if sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus sin a minus cosecant a whole square means we could have write some other formula, but here sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is there. What did it do? So we don't have any options, just what? Expand it. So expand it what? A plus b whole square means what? A square plus b square means here cosecant square a plus 2 into sin a into cosecant a. Similarly, plus expand this cos a plus secant a whole square means what? Cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a. Okay, then rearrange this sin square a plus cos square a plus cosecant square a plus secant square a plus 2 into, see this can be as sin a into cosecant a can be as 1 by sin a. What is the reason? The reciprocal of cosecant is what? 1 by sin a. Plus similarly here also 2 into cos a, secant a plus I can write what? 1 by cos a. Now see sin square a plus cos square is what? 1 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a plus see sin a cancelled, cos a cosecant cancelled, plus 2 plus 2. Okay, but we require what? 7, and tan square a and cot square is there, so therefore express cosecant square a in terms of cot. It can be written as 1 plus cot square a plus secant square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a plus 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Okay, then 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So this is our required answer. So that is equal to what? RHS. Understood? So what I did here? First I expand this a plus b whole square form, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, plus similarly here also a plus b whole square form, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Then what? Rearrange this. Sin square a I have taken cos square a here, and cosecant square a write as it is, and secant square a write as it is, plus 2 into sin a, in the place of cosecant I have taken sin a, 1 by sin a, and 2 into cos a, in the place of secant I can write 1 by cos a. So afterwards sin a get cancelled, cos a get cancelled. So what is the value of this? 1 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a plus 2 plus 2. So finally 1 plus 2 plus 2 5 will come, it will be. So what is the answer here? Tan square a plus cot square is there, therefore express cosecant square a in terms of cot and secant square a in terms of tan. Cosecant square a can be written as 1 plus cot square a, and secant square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a. Now simplify this. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, that is equal to what? RHS. So that's enough today. So rest of the problem we'll discussing in our next videos. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon and click all button. So for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day. So that's enough today. So rest of the problem we'll discussing in our next video. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click bell icon and then click all icon for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.